Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2026 Volvo XC90 B6 Ultra in crystal white metallic with a blonde Nappa leather interior. So there was a recent update on the XC90s. They got a refresh on the front end, so you have a little bit different of a grille situation. Those are new Thor's Hammer active bending headlights. LED headlights, super bright, super cool. At night when you turn them on and off, there's a welcome sequence on those. On the back, the tail lights have been blackened out a little bit, darkened up a little bit, I'll say. And then on the inside, there's a little bit different dashboard and the big 11.2-inch screen. So this is in crystal white metallic with a blonde Nappa leather interior, and it's the more powerful gas version, the B6. So it is turbo and supercharged. This is a 7-seat SUV. Light, airy cabin, giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. The back seats are heated, the front seats are heated. This one has a center booster seat, so right in the middle there. That will pop up and be a legal booster seat. You also get the window screens when you go for the top trim level. And there's a 4-way climate control. Rubber mats are the protection package, and they are very nice to have. You get this beautiful wood trim, little update on the structure of the door up here, Harman Kardon sound, memory seating for 3 for both the driver and the passenger. And when you get the Ultra trim level, a big portion of moving up from a Plus to an Ultra is these seats. So there's more functionality. It is leather. This is Nappa leather, which is super smooth and beautiful. The leg extension piece will come out. I hear tall people like that. The side bolsters will fill up and you'll get great lumbar support. And these are ventilated. In the summer, that feels lovely. You get the tailored dashboard, the graphic heads-up display. It has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You do have to plug in, and you do that right here. Plug in to the one surrounded in white. Cup holders. This is new for the 25.5 or the 26s, is the wireless phone charger. So if I go to settings, it's a control, and I'll roll down and make sure that is on. It's not. So I will turn it on, and et voila. And then over here, you have your Google Maps or nothing. So maps or no maps, and I just clicked that button to do that. And then this is your beautiful crystal gear shifter. So you poke to park, pull straight down for drive, push forward for reverse. And when you push it into, we put it into reverse, that backup camera comes on, and it is a slick backup camera. So you can see exactly what's going on around you from all angles when you're backing up. Pretty sweet. And then poke for park. I'll X this out. Then this is my new home screen. So if I hit this little dash bar, I can expand the map, and I can actually switch that to perspective. There we go. That's my favorite view. And then you can go into your drive mode. So if you were in a really sticky situation, you could hit that off-road mode or change up your steering wheel feeling. And then that's your camera button. So when you're not driving, you can access that at all times, under 20 miles an hour. And then back into these settings, driving settings here, so some of your safety features that you may or may want to turn on and off are right here. And the voice control is super slick, and it is a beautiful white blonde XC90, super classic. So if you're feeling like a little luck of the Irish is with you today, come on down to 9 US Route 1. We are in Scarborough, Maine. This is stock number 26231, and it's available for immediate delivery. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll add a link in the description box below for all the details. Come check us out. Thank you so much. Take care.